Welcome to week 4 of Origami Online. This week we are going to make a paper airplane. Okay, first fold the paper in half. Make sure you fold it firmly to create a sharp crease. Unfold and fold the top right corner to the center line. And repeat the same step on the left side. I'm gonna draw a line about 1 centimeter away from the bottom of the triangle. You don't have to do that, I'm just drawing a line for you guys to see as a guidance. And then fold the top point of the triangle down. Okay, now let's fold the bottom corners to the center line. Fold it really well. You can use your nail or fingertip to do that. And then fold that little triangle flap upwards. Then go ahead and fold the bottom edges to the center line. Okay, let's flip the paper over and fold it in half. Fold it well. And it's done. Now if you want to make a paper plane that comes back to you, fold the flaps upwards. Hope you had lots of fun playing with origami. Don't forget to share your origami vlog on our Kingston Creators Facebook page. I'm looking forward to seeing what you've made. See you next week.